I'm gonna start chopping while we're talking.
Oh, thank you.
So
you want I chop?
yeah, you chop. You show me how to chop. You're showing me how to do it. Well, where are you from? Yeah.
Well, I am from Persia, which is everybody known as the Iran.
But it's more delicious. Well, that's what we're going for. It's delicious.
Okay. Food brings the communities together.
Are we gonna put a lid on top and
Yes.
steam this up a little bit?
Yes.
You left Iran in 2009 and went to Cyprus.
Yeah, me and my family, we settled here.
So you have a non-profit organization
Yes, I
that
do.
you're running, and partly this is something that you're doing is working with newcomers to find housing and to find jobs.
I had this dream when I was a refugee, but it's become stronger. So I created that non-profit called Love Without Borders.
Love Without Borders.
Yeah.
Okay.
So because I love everyone without borders.
Yeah. You're coming here, you're brand new, and where do you start? And you need somebody to kind of help you figure it out.
Exactly. So we are trying to just create the umbrella to overtop all this information and awesome assistance and just introduce new people as a package.
That's fantastic.